Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. So today we are going to be doing this. Okay, now this inspired from a project by frontendmentor.io. You might want to check them out to see project that you can do to improve your front end development. Okay, so that's what we are going to do today. The images, you can search for any image online um, and then use it, or just a QR code image or any image of your choice. Okay, so that said, let's get started. Okay, so I already have I've created my full my main and then my index.html files, and then I have a folder which is holding my image. Okay, so just one image. This is just a dummy image. So this is what I'm going to use. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to open VS Code now. Okay, so with VS Code open, let me clear my code here, and I'm going to clear my CSS document. Control A, take everything out. And then remember your main.css should be linked. Okay, other than that, otherwise if you don't link them, you wouldn't be able to style, or you'll be styling and then when you refresh your browser you see that it's not taking effect. Okay, so that said, let's inside our body. Okay, so my title is QR card. So inside my body I'm going to create a container, so a div.class, so a div.container. Okay, then inside my container I'm going to create our card. So our card is going to be this. Okay, this is going to be our card. Okay, so the card is going to hold this. So let's create our card. I'm going to call, so another div dots, and I'm going to call it card. So inside our div, okay, our card div is going to house all of these elements. Okay, so the text and then the images, or the image. So now I'm going to create the image tag. So img, let's do img space src. Okay, so src I'm going to do, then inside the quotation commas, let me take one out. Okay, sorry, let's put equal to first. Okay, so inside it I'm going to put images. So images, so my image, remember I have my image inside the images folder. Okay, so images forward slash, and then I'm going to use image dot png. Okay, you can give an alternative text, so alt, let me just use scan. Okay, this wouldn't actually do anything, it's just for screen readers. And then yeah, let's use, for now let's say screen readers, and I'll end it. Okay, so forward slash and then the greater than sign, so close our tag. Now I'm going to create a div. Okay, a div to hold our text. Okay, so I'm going to call it div dot, so div dot text, let's use text. I'm going to use text 4. You can use any name of your choice. Okay, but I'm going with div dot text 4. Then inside the div I'm going to create an h1 tag. H1, let me see, let's go live. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, this is what we are doing. So div h1, so h1 tag, and I'm going to type improve. So then pause. Okay, so improve your front end by building projects. So inside our h1, then I'm going to do an h2. Oh, h2. Take the h21 out. I'm going to type scan. So I'll pause it and then type. Okay, so scan the QR code to visit front end. Let's see what we have. So scan the code to visit front end. Okay, then another h2. So let me just copy this. I'm going to type, let's use mentor. and pause it and then okay. So for those who we have the H1, H2, and then so just main heading, subheading. Okay, in that order. So I think we have up to H6. So that should be it for our HTML side. In our next lesson, we'll work on the styling of our card and then the text. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.